want to do it. I'm going to hold it in my hand. Where'd you go? Alright, you just won. How do you feel? Where'd you go? Damn. This is pretty cool. It's in black and white. For such a shitty camera, this is a pretty cool black and white thing. I just spit. Alright, good. Oh shit! I thought you were going to throw it that way. You know what I want to do? Damn it. Damn it. Alright, that was cool. You know what I hate about Texas? Basketball. Let's play catch. Just underthrow it, underthrow it. Ow, my toe. I'm shaking. Oh, my hand. What if it hit you in the head? Yeah, I've had that happen to me before, actually. No attempt on even catching that ball. Oh, I was so close to catching it. Fuck, it hurts. Right? God. Why does it have to be so hot for summer? Oh shit, let me move. Alright. Baby Ruth. Alright, go. That was amazing. How do you feel now? Me too. Alright, let's stop this and get one.